day 7. 7 full days of unboxing. Today we got this flat box Kerrigan's going to open, and hopefully, I'm sure it's something interesting because it looks like none of these other boxes. So Kerrigan, what do we have today?
This is exciting because this is an entire week of unboxing we're about to complete.
Yes.
This one could be a little bit more dangerous, I think.
See if I can help you out here.
This one is wrapped pretty...
Yeah, be careful with the scissors if this is what I think it is. Here.
Yeah, you do the safety scissors there. Don't want to get holes where we don't need any holes.
Right. Oh yes.
Very exciting.
So, you know what this is?
This is our portable green screen.
So we now have a 5x7 portable green screen that we can take with us on set, out of the building. As many of you know, if you've taken the class or been in the room, you know we have a big green screen that lives in the room. But that's kind of hard to take around and take places. So we got a 5x7 portable green screen that now we're going to be able to take. And, you know, if we want to green screen like a car window so that we can make it look like you're driving down the road or being chased by dinosaurs or whatever, now we can do it much easier than we've been able to do in the past. So, super excited to see this in action. Lots of movie magic options with this. And that's an awesome way to end our first full week of unboxing. We'll see you tomorrow as we keep going. We got a lot more boxes to open. Have a good day.